Yes, sir. Ski. We are back to the Credit K YouTube channel where I talk about business credit, personal credit, finance, crypto, everything to help you level up in life. I'm about that. And you see the thumbnail, you see the title. All you Airbnb interior designers or just people who need new furniture for your space. IKEA has credit cards with Visa logo and in store with no APR for your purchasing power. So they got two category of cards. Of course, the one with the Visa logo you can use at any store that accepts Visa, and the project is, of course, only for IKEA stores. They got pre-approval, so definitely do the pre-approval first before going and wasting a hard pull. 0% interest. We know we love those for 6 months. Only on the store card only. So we're doing a large decorating project, renovating some rooms, renovating some spaces. We're doing the kids' room, doing the guest room. IKEA furniture is perfect for that. I personally don't like IKEA furniture in my own bedroom. It's pretty cheap, don't last long, but for a guest room, kids' room where they're growing, you're gonna replace the bed and replace the furniture in a couple of years anyway. Great for that. And pay over time. They give you a limit. Since there's no interest, you don't have to worry about paying it all back in full. um you have a 24 month interest. Oh, that's on purchase over 2,500 or more. So the more you spend, the more you get 0% interest. Data points around this are saying they pull from TransUnion and Equifax. So make sure those are unfrozen before doing doing the prequal, and you can possibly freeze it after you get the prequal. You know how to hack, you know how the drill goes. So just want to hop on real quick. Not a lot of information, not a lot of data points around these cards. You can open up a business account and order through your business, but these cards are on the personal side and do report to your personal credit. So just be mindful of that. All right. All right. So you got the IKEA credit card. Go ahead and get that. Like I said, 0% interest for the store credit card and no annual fee for the Visa logo branded IKEA card. All right. Laid out credit K.